Increasing sales to your online store looks easy on paper, but hard in practice. Every online store owner wants to increase their sales, but not many know how to do it. Perhaps you get a lot of sales in the past, but suddenly you experience a drop in sales. In last video about conversion rate, we've talked about 5 tips to boost your rate. And now, here's more tips you can implement. These methods work for any e-commerce model. Simplify your e-commerce checkout process. A complicated and time-draining e-commerce checkout process is one of the reasons why you are not making sales in your online stores. You lose a lot of customers when you do not have a simple e-commerce checkout process, and that makes it easy for customers to buy your products. You should test and tweak your e-commerce checkout process to ensure a smooth customer experience. Optimize your e-commerce checkout process for your customers to enjoy more sales in your online store. Use cart abandonment software. Cart abandonment in e-commerce refers to when a customer put an item or multiple items in a cart but ends up leaving your online store without closing the deal. Use cart abandonment software to help you track your abandoned carts. Many e-commerce platforms such as Shopify and BigCommerce offer cart abandonment tracking services to their users. You get information about your prospects who abandon their shopping carts, such as email addresses and other details they entered before they departed your online store. You can create follow-up emails to retarget these prospects, offer them some sort of incentive such as a limited offer discount or a free trial. Offer a money-back guarantee. If you can convince your customers that your product will not be a waste of their money, you will get more sales. It's that simple. Customers are risk-averse and always want to avoid a potential loss. You can claim to have the best product, but if you do not offer any guarantee, you can easily lose the sale. One of the best guarantees you can offer a customer is a money-back guarantee, including a money-back guarantee for products in your online stores. Help support the claims you made about them. Many skeptical customers will happily make the purchase based on your money-back guarantee. Take away your customers' fear of incurring a loss from the purchase of your product, and you will get sales. Use live chat software. Live chat software can help you increase your sales conversion. If you're not available to respond to your customers' questions, live chat software can respond on your behalf. Having a customer care team available to answer your prospect questions can prove instrumental in closing more sales. Allows you to respond to your customers on demand or to reply to customer queries through a chatbot. There are numerous live chat software in the market. Some of the best live chat software includes ProProf's Live Chat, TDO, Jivo Chat, and Facebook Live Chat. So again, before you implement any of the ways to increase your sales conversions, ensure you have a great product or service. None of these practices will result in long-term sales relationships if your products and services are not great. If you consistently implement these practices, you will increase your sales conversion. Okay, so that's all about today's video. I'll see you next one.